guys, welcome to Spirotech 365. Today I am going to show you how to add a vignette in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's start. First of all, we'll create a sequence and then we'll insert the video into the sequence. After that, we'll create an adjustment layer and add the adjustment layer on video track 2. Then we'll add a circle from the effects panel and apply it on the adjustment layer. We'll change the blending mode of the circle to stencil alpha from the effects control panel. After that, we'll change the radius of the circle. And then we'll change the feather outer edge of the circle. By changing the feather edge value, we'll create the vignette on the video. You can change the value as you require to add the vignette. So that's it for today. If you love and enjoy our video, please like, comment and share this one. Do not forget to subscribe our channel to get more tips and tricks in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you.